example that happened years ago where one of the members of the community came into the shul sweating profusely and literally looked sick. They asked him what happened. He said, I had a dream and I need to tell you about this dream. Everyone paid attention. What kind of dream? You have to make a public statement about. He said, you know that family member that died a few years ago? He said, yeah, sure. We all said Kaddish. We all said, yeah. Well, he came to my dream last night. And he looked horrible. He died young. And I figured that would be good for him. He'll go to heaven. But when he came to me in my dream, he looked terrible. And I asked him, how is your condition in the world of truth, in heaven? He said, what heaven? No heaven. Every single day, they beat me profusely. They beat me endlessly, every single day. I said, why? Why did I beat you every day? He said, right now, the reason I'm being beaten so far is because of my blessings. I haven't paid for all of the other sins yet. I'm just dealing with the blessings so far. Why? You didn't make any blessings? He goes, no, I did. I did make blessings. But every day I receive severe punishment since I was not careful to make blessings with proper concentration before and after eating. And as they beat me, they berate me, saying, you ate and drank only for your own pleasure. There you had intention, but to make the blessing, no intention. And they keep beating me every day because of it. So I told them, yeah, but isn't it true that the maximum punishment is only 12 months? It's been much longer than 12 months, and they're still punishing you? The dead man told him, what 12 months? What are you talking about 12 months? The first 12 months I was getting even worse beatings than I'm getting right now. And I'm not even finished. We're just dealing with the beatings for the blessings not having said in the proper way. This, Rabotai, was written 600 years ago in Sefer Hasidim. Or maybe more, 700 years ago. And the Yalkut Yosef brings it in Hilchot Brachot during the first chapter.